Okwu ntabiire maka egbe. A tongue twister about the kite. Ndewo, this is Yvonne Mbanefo, and in this video we're going to learn a tongue twister about the kite. Okwu ntabiire maka egbe. But before we start, we're going to look at 5 new words we will learn from this tongue twister. And these words are nna, nna, father or elder. Nna, father or elder. In this context, we're going to use nna as an elder. So usually when you're referring to an elder, you say nna, nna, then you add the person's name. And that's what we're going to do in this video. So nna, father or elder. Buru, buru, carried. So iburu is to carry, and then bu is carry, and then buru is carried. The past tense for carry. Egbe, gun. High, low. So this is where the tone marking comes in. Egbe, high, low. High, low. High, low. Egbe, gun. Egbe, gun. Egbe, gun. And now the other one is egbe, high, high. Egbe, kite. And that refers to the bird, like we see in this picture. Egbe, egbe, kite. Egbe, kite. Gbabuo, gbabuo, shot dead. So igba is to shoot. Gbabuo, shot dead. Or you can also say gbaburu, shot dead. Ready? Let's begin, Kaibido. So the tongue twister goes this way. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. So lots of GB is happening in this tongue twister. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere Nna egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. So the words we've learned from this tongue twister are nna, father or elder. Nna, father or elder. Buru, carried. Buru, carried. Egbe, egbe, gun. Egbe, 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 kite. the bird. Egbe, kite, the bird. Usually on a nice summer or hot day, you can usually see kites flying high in the sky, and one of the most distinguishing features about the kite is this dip on their tail. So when they're high up in the sky, you can see the dip on the tail. Babuo, shot dead. Babuo, shot dead. So the tongue twister again. Nne egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nne egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nne egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. Nne egbe buru egbe, gbagbuo egbe bere n'obi egbe. So in conclusion, always remember that practice makes perfect, and that each effort you make brings you closer to your Igbo language and culture learning goals. Komesia, see you on the next video.